Hi, Sue here, the Tenacious bitch. She had to take her glasses off because she was doing with her phone. But anyways, here's my glasses. So I remember when I was, in my basement, it looked a lot like this backdrop that you're seeing now. And I was changing the filter to my house. And I thought, well, I could multitask and fluff my pillows at the same time. Oh, the light's gone, so I fixed that. Well, I went to go fluff my pillows this morning, and the dryer, she wouldn't turn on. And as luck would have it, I did not have a load of wet clothes in there, so that was good. But I do have a load of wet clothes in my washing machine. And I gotta, get on the stick here. I either gotta buy a new dryer or fix it myself. And you know what? I think I'll fix it myself. So, in all honesty, I did YouTube it, and there are 3 things that could go wrong. So what had happened was, I'm going to show you what this looks like now. Here's my dryer. I put the timer on, went to fluff my pillows, I turned this on, I heard a buzzing, but no barrel turning. Now, to determine if it was maybe the belt that was broken, or if it was the door switch, I did do this. Of course, it's unplugged now because you're supposed to unplug shit before you start messing with the electrical components. It wasn't that. It wasn't the door switch. It wasn't that, and it wasn't a broken belt because the barrel was not turning freely. If it was a broken belt, it would be woo-hoo, loosey goosey in there. So I knew it wasn't that because I'd helped Hugh repair that before. So I did watch the YouTube video, and I did see what they use. And you have to gather all your tools, and you are going to need not a screwdriver, but you're going to need a socket wrench. And one of these babies to get the hexagonal. See these little hexagonal, those things? You had to get the right size for that. There's 8 of them on the back panel here. You can see there's the back panel. I took it off of this. I did get a good light source, set it up on the yard chair. Oh yeah, there's not enough outlets down here. I had to go mess around with that, so extension cords and all that kind of stuff. So anyways, I've done all this hard work. And I do not have a tester, so I did not do as the guy suggested, test these. But if that was the case, it was going to be a new power cord to the thing, and I said, I'm going to cut to the chase because I'm not going to undo all that. I'm going to find out if it's a fuse down here. And this is, so I watched the video, and this is the fuse thing right here. And these little babies here, you can see they're taped together now. They plug into here. And you can see the points on them. That's where they plug. So that's what's gone bad. And so, and what I did is I taped these together and then plugged this back in and then turned on the dryer to see if it worked. And the dryer does work. So that's the issue. That fuse box is done. So now I know it's a $6 part. This is a 17-year-old dryer. It's the same age as my granddaughter. And I can fix this myself and get a few more years out of it. Typically, it's the wash machine that goes first, and this is a match set. Wash machine's fine, but when that goes, I'm getting 2 new ones, and they're going to be a beautiful match set in my basement. So what I'm going to do is order the part, and when I get the part in, or maybe I can buy it at Walmart. I don't know. We'll see. I will hopefully look better by then, and I will install the part, and I'll let you know how it goes. Until then, Tenacious Bitch signing off. Oh, and remember, if this Tenacious Bitch can do it, you can do it too. But be careful. This is powerful electricity. Notice, notice, notice I didn't do anything unless it was unplugged. Oh, look at that. Unplugged. Don't go mess with that. And if you have any fear about working with this kind of electricity, doing that, call a repairman. Better yet, buy a new dryer. 17 years old, it's not at $250, that's a down payment for another dryer. So that's why I'm fixing it myself. Okay, talk to you later. Bye. Oh, don't forget, if this Tenacious Bitch can do it, you can do it too. Until later. Hi, Sue here, Tenacious Bitch. Looking a little better maybe? Anyways. Here's the part, the offending part that I replaced. This is a thermal fuse that goes into the back of the dryer. And here's the new one in place. Look at that. Look at that. And notice how it's got the hex bolt, so I had to use the hex thing on that. I've got the little points connected, and I have plugged in my machine. Now, mind you, I did all of that work while the machine was unplugged. And then I want you to hear something that I just love to do. And here it is. Ha! I fixed my dryer. So now what I gotta do, I'm going to shut this off by opening the door. You should not do any work while the thing is plugged in because this is 240. God almighty. So I'm unplugging this. Oh, there's heat. It turned, ow, 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 ow. Oh, that effing plug. I dropped it on my foot. Oh, why do I drop everything on my foot? It hurts. But anyways, my dryer works, so that's good. So I'm going to put this back on. And it's got all kinds of hex bolts. So I've got this. Don't forget to twist that little knob so that it goes in the righty-tighty position and everything like that. And my dryer works, and I'm gonna be doing a load of clothes. So remember, if this tenacious bitch can fix her dryer, so can you. Until next time, Tenacious Bitch Sue is signing out.